Good morning everyone. Welcome to the online class. So let us move for the session only. Yes, we are in the part 2. Yes, that also South America, which is also called as the land of Andes. Yes, see this. Okay. So South America we are going to discuss in part 1 the physical settings and all the things we have learned. Yes, am I right? Have you learned physical settings? No, physical setting is a reduced part of your lesson. So that's why we haven't learned that. And the location extent we learned. Yes. And even, yes, we learned physical setting, but physical features we haven't learned of this lesson. Yes. So today in this session, let us learn about the wildlife of South America, agriculture and animal husbandry of South America, along with population. These three important points we people are going to learn in this lesson. In this part 2 session we are going to learn. Yes, so let us move. Wildlife of the South America. South America has a variety of wild animals, birds and reptiles. Yes. So do you know what is meant by the reptiles? If you don't know, then know that meaning. What is meant by the reptiles? When you will get this video, find out the meaning of the reptile word. Yes. The condor is the biggest bird of prey in the world. Yes. Rhea is the large bird which cannot fly. Rhea is the largest bird which cannot fly, like the ostrich in Australia. Yes, this type of bird we can see in Australia, but this cannot fly as same as ostrich. Yes, see, spider monkey, owl monkey and squirrel monkey live in these trees of the Amazon forest. In the trees of Amazon forest. Yes, spider monkey, owl monkey and squirrel monkey. Yes, these are the types of monkeys. Yes, anaconda panthon. Anaconda panthon is the largest reptile and it lives in the rainforest. Puma and jaguar are large animals of prey which feed on monkeys and smaller animals. The llama and alpaca are animals similar to camels as they have long necks. Okay, llama and alpaca both were the similar to the camels. How the camel is having a long neck, in the same way these two animals are also having long necks. Yes. So after that, these are domesticated by these are domesticated by the native inhabitants for working. Yes, you can see if below the paragraph you can see the llama, as it looks like a camel only, but exact it's not a camel, it's just looking like that only. Yes, so llama, jaguar means it's a kind of cheetah. Yes, but not a cheetah. Cheetah is different, leopard is different and jaguar is different. Yes, by their spokes, how we used to identify means by the spokes which you people are able to see those spokes. According to those spokes we used to divide this type of animals. Yes, cheetah is different, leopard is different, jaguar is different. Yes, next, then candor you people are able to see, it's look like it's a bird. Actually it's look like a eagle. Yes, but it's not a eagle. Yes, next, anaconda panthon, we used to call this anaconda. Yes, next, alpaca. Have you seen that one? See how pretty it is. Yes, and next, Galapagos Islands are well known for their gained tortoises. Yes, we people used to see a gained tortoises. Okay, on the desktop we people are able to see the tortoise picture. Puma, it's a type of cat. Okay, wild cat we used to tell. Okay, there are spiders there are spiders and insects like tsetse tsetse flies which cause sleeping sickness. Okay, the flies insects like a flies. Those flies name is tsetse. Okay, so after beating this tsetse flies, we people used to cause the sleeping sickness. Yes. Next, the Amazon river has varieties of fish such as the stingray. Stingray fish is the famous in this region. Yes. Next, electric fish. So you know the electric fish. Okay, it's very long fish, very thin fish, but it's give us electric shock when we used to touch it. Okay, by that in that way only this electric fish used to secure itself. Okay, stingray fish. Okay, stingray, it's a kind of a fish, and electric fish and piranha, most dangerous fish in the world. Piranha, this is the most dangerous fish in the whole world. Okay, so now let me show you the picture of stingray. Am I right? No, I am showing to the piranha fish, which is the very dangerous and the most dangerous fish among the world fishes. Yes. So after that, rivers also have crocodiles. We people used to see a crocodile also. Yes. So now you can see a puma, tortoise, yes, piranha fish and rai. Yes. After this, agriculture and animal husbandry. Cultivable land is SA is limited. Yes, SA means South America is limited. Barely 10% of its area is under cultivation. The main reasons of cultivation are the pampas in Argentina and Uruguay, parts of Brazilian highlands and east coast and central Chile. Most important crops of South America are maize, wheat, rice, coffee, cotton and sugarcane, etc. These were the important crops of the South America. Yes. So after that, maize. Okay, let us see about the maize. Maize is also called as a corn. Yes. See, maize is a native crop of South America and it is the chief food or staple food crop of the warm tropical region. Wheat is grown in the cooler temperate regions in Argentina and Chile. Wheat is also exported from Argentina and potato is widely grown in the Andes region. Rice is cultivated all along the Brazilian coast. Yes. So here look at the box which is very important for you. Brazil is called coffee pot of the world. Yes, Brazil is called coffee pot of the world, which means coffee is derived from kaffa. Yes, understood? That word coffee, that word coffee derived from kaffa. Yes, next. Fazenda is the largest coffee estate. Fazend is the largest coffee estate and thousands of coffee plantations are there in this largest coffee estate. Okay, so this fazenda, the largest coffee estate, comes in Brazil. Yes, so it means have you got why the Brazil is called coffee pot of the world? Yes. Next, Rio de Janeiro is called coffee pot of the world. Who called it? Rio de Janeiro is called Brazil as the coffee pot of the world. Yes, port, not pot. Okay. Next, Among non-food, you can see the plant of the coffee. Yes, see that those, are you able to see those all red seeds? So those red seeds are the coffee seeds. Yes, among non-food crops, South America is an important producer of coffee and cocoa. Yes, Brazil is the world's largest producer of coffee. That's why Brazil is also called as the coffee pot of the world. Yes, Colombia and Ecuador are also important producers of coffee. Cocoa is also produced on a large scale in the coastal regions of Brazil. Colombia and Ecuador are the other producers of cocoa. Yes, let us see the sugarcane now. Sugarcane, cotton, yes, yes. So these all things let us see. Cotton is grown in drier slopes of Andes and is exported. Which one? Cotton is exported to other countries. South America is an important producer of sugarcane in the tropical lowlands. Brazil is the leading producer of sugarcane and it is second largest producer in the world. Okay, which one? Producing the sugarcane. Which one? Brazil. Okay, next. Other sugarcane producing countries are Argentina, Peru, Guyana, and Colombia. Grasslands of pampas are ideal for livestock rearing. Livestock includes mainly horses, pigs, sheep, and cows. Argentina was once the biggest exporter of beef in the world. The pampas are fine grazing areas for beef cattle. Dairy cattle grazing pastures are richer, whereas poorer pastures on the Patagonia plains and mountains are meant for sheep rearing. There are cowboys are called gauchos who manage the sheep. Yes, see here. Who manage the sheep for them called as a gauchos. Yes, gauchos means they are a cowboys who used to manage the sheep. Okay. Next. The best fishing grounds are located in the coast of the Pacific Ocean, the Peruvian and Chilean coasts are the most important fishing grounds. Though Peru had been the leading fishing nation, its importance declined because the bulk of fish caught were mainly small pelagic fishes which were used for making fertilizer. Which one? Pelagic fish. Okay, pelagic fish mainly it was used for making a fertilizer. Yes, Chile's catch is almost the same as Canada's, but mostly it is used for industrial purposes and not for food. Yes, for the purpose of industrial, the Canadian people used to catch the fishes, but not for the food. Okay, food. Understood? Uh, Lake Titicaca, Lake Titicaca and River Amazon are important places of freshwater fishing. Understood? So usually freshwater fishing is very important because freshwater fishes are very hygienic and very good for health. Yes. Next comes the population of the are you able to see the fishing? How the biggest fish they catch now? Yes, understood. See, two peoples were used to carry that fish. That much biggest fishes we people are able to see in Canada, not only in Canada, in South America. Yes. So let us move for the population. Yes. After the explanation of this population, we will conclude the lesson. And in the next session, we people are going to meet the next and very interesting lesson of the 7th standard. Yes. See, the population of South America. The inhabitants of South America belong to mixed racial groups. Yes, Amazon Indians and Inca Indians are natives of South America who settled before the arrival of Europeans. Europeans came in search of gold, later settled here only. Actually, Europeans came to South America in search of gold. Okay, but later on they decided to settle here only. Here means in South America only. Yes. Slaves were brought from Africa to work in plantations. The intermarriage among these groups formed mixed races. Okay, between Europeans and between African peoples. Yes. South America registers a much higher percentage of urbanization than any other country in the world. Yes. So, the highest urban population is in Uruguay. How much? 93% of urban population we used to see in South America. Okay. And the lowest population is in Guyana, that also 36% only. Yes, highest population it is in, that also urban population it is in Uruguay 93%, and the lowest population it is in Guyana, that also 36%. Yes, see, the dense forests of Amazon, Andean mountains, deserts of Atacama and Patagonia are very sparsely inhabited. Yes, Grand, Grand Chaco and the Guiana Highlands are also sparsely inhabited. Most of the population is concentrated along the coasts in big cities and ports like Buenos Aires, Rio de Janeiro, Valparaiso, Sao Paulo, etc. etc. Yes, so let us see the hollow continent. Which is the hollow continent and why it is hollow continent? Yes, so let us see hollow continent. Inhabitants is mainly found in the coastal belt. Central part of the continent is thinly inhabited. Yes, population in South America is mainly concentrated in coastal areas, but the central continent is less concentrated. So it is called hollow continent. Understood? Why the South America used to call as the hollow continent. Have you got it? Yes. So let us see. If you are still you are getting doubt, then you people you can read it again and again. Pause it and read it again and again. Okay. Next. South America registers birth rate similar to the world's average. How much? 21 per thousand. Yes, but the death rate is for every 1,000 person, only 6% is less than the world average. Yes, birth average is higher than death average in South America. Yes, but according to the world's average, the birth and the death rate is very less. Yes, therefore the rate of natural increase of population in South America is higher than the world's average.